Welcome to the Power of Color, where we change the color, not the design. You might ask yourself, can color really change the entire look of a handmade card? My goal is to convince you that yes, it can. My name is Jodi Reinert. This is my Stamp with Jodi YouTube channel, and today I am starting a brand new video series called The Power of Color. In today's very first episode, I am taking one card design and recreating it with 3 different color combinations, and the results might surprise you. Watch until the end and then tell me in the comments which one you would choose. All right, we are kicking off this Power of Color series with this quick and creative card made with the Delicate Whispers bundle from Stampin' Up. I'll show you the supplies in that in just a moment, but let's look at the cards first. So, can you believe that these 3 cards are the exact same design, same stamps, same dies, same layout? The only thing I changed was the color. I'm going to walk you through how I created this design, and then we'll look at each card specifically and how color completely changes the mood. So I am going to walk you through step by step how to make this one here with, like I said, the Delicate Whispers bundle. So these products I'm using are from Stampin' Up. This is a photopolymer stamp set. It's got all of these images, and then there are coordinating dies that some of them die cut, like an outline. So you stamp this image and you cut it out with that. Others like these, those just simply cut out little leaves and flourishes that you can add to your projects. So I went ahead and did some die cutting, and this color, this darker color, is Early Espresso, and the lighter color is called, if I could get my hands on it, Darling Duckling. So these are the pieces I went ahead and die cut, as well as some labels, and I used the Nested Essentials dies, and I cut out a little vanilla label for the greeting, and then a mat for that, same shape, just a little bit bigger, that's also in Darling Duckling. So let's go ahead and get started with the stamping and assembling of this quick and creative card. The card base is that same Darling Duckling, and I'm going to use one of the leafy flourish images with Darling Duckling ink. So we'll do some tone-on-tone stamping. Just tap gently on my ink pad, and then I'll go ahead and add one of these images right over here on the side, re-ink, and this one is going to go right up here in this corner. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to do is add a strip of Early Espresso cardstock, so that same dark brown. So I'm just going to use my tape runner to apply some adhesive, and then I will set this across the bottom. Now it's maybe about 1 inch or so up from the bottom. That's probably good. So that's there. And then I'm adding this piece of designer paper. This is from the Brushed with Beauty designer paper package. All of the measurements, by the way, are going to be right in the video description so that you can get all of that if you want to recreate this particular card. So I'm going to overlap just a little bit here and then set that right onto the cardstock as well. So a little tip, this designer paper had the Darling Duckling and Early Espresso. If you ever struggle coming up with color combinations, sometimes designer paper is a great place to start because these 2 colors are used in the paper. You can very easily use them together for the other elements of your card as well. So I'm going to just put some adhesive kind of randomly in the middle here. And then I'm going to set these little pieces into it. So instead of trying to get adhesive to stick on the back of these tiny pieces, I just press it down into the adhesive that I've already put there. So we'll do that and then add these right over it. And one more we'll do, let's see, maybe right in here. All right, so those are stuck down fairly well, but what's going to help secure it even more is I'm going to take this label and stick it right over the center there. And then I want to add a pop of color. And my pop of color is this Berry Burst shiny ribbon. So again, I'll just put a little bit down in the center and set that ribbon right into it. Press it down. Maybe scoot it just a little bit this way. There we go. And then I just need to add the greeting, and I'll do that with Early Espresso ink. So this is the brown that you see on the other parts there, and this greeting is "Thank you kindly." Because it's photopolymer, I can see exactly where I'm going, stamp it right in the center. And then I'm going to add this to the card with some Stampin' Dimensionals. That will just pop it up a little bit, draw your eye to it a little bit, and make it more of a focal point. So it just goes on like that. Okay, so let's really take a look at this card. I look at this card and I see vibrant, bold, dramatic, right? That Berry Burst ribbon, that's a pretty dramatic pop of color there. This one to me just has a mood of a joyful, energizing, just burst of energy. And this one really makes a statement. The next one, the primary colors here are Crumb Cake and Mossy Meadow. When I look at this one, I see something more earthy, soft, neutral, muted, just a calm, natural elegance. This one to me has a feeling of more thoughtful, more sincere. So a very different look. Now let's pull that third one in. This one, the primary colors are Bubble Bath and Timid Tiger. This one to me is warm, soft, fresh. It's just sweet, it's feminine. And the mood here to me is maybe a little more playful, charming. It's just a sweet card. If you love seeing the color transformation and what it really can do to a design, because remember, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Take your design, change up the colors, and get a totally different look and feel to your card. Next week, I will be back every Tuesday, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. You will see a brand new episode of The Power of Color. Next week, I'm doing soft colors against bold colors, and we'll see what we come up with. I've literally got, I think, 14 episodes already planned out. There's so much that I have to share with you, and I simply can't wait for you to join me with this new video series. It's the same design, but it's a totally different mood. That's the power of color. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.